Welcome to Remedial One YouTube channel. Once again, I'm on Wassce 2022 elective maths, question number 13. A panel of 6 members is to be formed from 5 doctors and 10 nurses to include each profession. Find correct to 3 decimal places the probability of selecting the members to include A. Equal doctors and nurses, at most 2 nurses. C. More doctors than nurses. One thing about probability and combination is, if you want to solve a question on combination, first get the idea of the committee or the panel that you are going to form. So from the question, we have the number of panel members are 6, right? And then available members, doctors are 5. Then nurses 10. So total members, 5 plus 10 is 15. Okay, the first one, equal doctors and then equal nurses. The panel members must be 6. So if it is equal number of profession, it means that we have 5 doctors, we are going to select 3 of them, and then 10 nurses, we select 3 of them. A. Equal members imply that 3 doctors and 3 nurses. So probability of equal doctors and nurses counts. We have 5 doctors and then you choose 3, and 10 nurses, you are choosing 3, over we have 15 members and we are choosing 6 of them. Let's have our calculator. So 5 combination 3, 5, can use the calculator, shift, then the combination is here, 3, 10, and then times 10 combination 3. So we have 10, shift is equal to 120. Then 5 or 15, shift combination 6 is 5,005. So we have 1,200 over 505. Now when we convert it to decimal, we have 0.239760. Now we were asked to correct our answer to 2 decimal places. So after the decimal point 1, 2. The next number is 9. So we add 1 to 3. So we have 0.24. B. We are to find the probability at most 2 nurses. So at most 2 nurses imply that you choose 1 nurse, and when you choose 1 nurse, then you are going to choose 5 doctors, or take 2 nurses. Then when you take 2 nurses, you take 4 doctors. So the probability of at most 2 nurses is equal to, so you have, when you are choosing 1 nurse, that's 10 nurses, and then you are choosing 1, then 5, we have 5 doctors, and then you are choosing 5, all of them. Or for all, we use plus, or we choose 2 nurses, 10 choose 2 times, then 5 doctors, we are choosing 4. Bear in mind, the panel members are supposed to be 6. So if you choose 2 here, then the other one, the rest will be 4. Over total, which is 15 in all, and then we are selecting 6. So we have 10 combination 1. I showed you how to use the combination. So 10 combination 1 is 10 times 5 combination 5 is 1, plus 10 combination 2 is 45 times 5 combination 4, which is 5, over 505. So we have 10 plus 45 times 5 is 225 over 5005. So we have 235 over 5005. Because we have been asked to correct our answer to 2 decimal places, we need to convert this one to decimal. Now, how do we do that? Let me use the calculator to show you for the first time. So 235 divided by 5005, then equal to, we have a fraction. To get a decimal, you use this. So the decimal, we have 0.46953. So for 2 decimal places, 1, 2, the next one is 5. So 0.05, that is the answer. There's a 0 here. So let's quickly look at the C part. The C part talks about more doctors than nurses. Now we have 6 panel members. So if you are looking for more doctors than the nurses, it means that we can have all the 5 doctors representing, then and then 4 of them. And when it comes to 3, because they are 6, to be equal number of doctors and then nurses. So you have 5 doctors, you are choosing them all, and then 5 doctors, you are choosing 4. So in that case, you are going to have probability of more doctors than nurses. Then 5 doctors, then you choose 1 nurse, or 4 doctors, then you choose 2 nurses. And this the same as 5 combination 5 times, then the nurses are 10, then you are choosing 1, plus 5 you are choosing 4, and then 10 you are choosing 2, over 15 in all you are choosing 6. So because I've shown you how to use it, this 1 times 10 plus 5 times 45 over 5005. So we have 10 plus 225 over 5005. So we have 235 over 5005. Now because we have been asked to correct our answer to 2 decimal places, we need to compare this one to decimal line. So 0.046953. So 2 decimal places, 1, 2. So which is 0.05. Okay, so let's see how the scoring is done. So question 1. So for forming this combination, we have M1, and then being able to simplify up to this level, you have another M1. Then the correct answer, which is 0.24, is A1. Let's come to the second one. Now we have 2 parts, 2 terms. So for forming this combination, we have M1, and then for correct combination like this term being correct, this term being correct, no, you are going to get A1, and then which is minus half each error, which means that if one term is wrong, then you are going to deduct half from the one. And then for simplifying, get another one, M1. This time, if you have 0.0469, this for A1, and then the final answer 0.05, another A. The C part, for forming this combination, A1, and then for correct combination, get A1. But if any of these terms is wrong, we are going to do that half mark. Then being able to simplify like this here is M1. Then the correct, or this one, this value gets A1. Then the final answer, A1. Thank you very much, viewers, for watching this video. If you are watching us for the first time and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button.